What is going on, guys? This is Cyborg Pig here, and welcome to the pen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the most funded keyboard on Kickstarter, the Keychron K2. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a review, first impressions, and a sound test of it. So let's get started. So taking a look at the box, we got the Keychron logo right here, which very minimal font, which is amazing. I'm liking it so far. On here we got a little bit of the packaging brand information, and then on the back it just talks about like where it was exported from and the name and everything. So very minimal packaging. I like how it's all black and everything. So let's crack it open and see what it's like. So inside we got a little foam piece to cover it up, and then we got the keyboard itself. So if I can take it out, there it is. Got the keyboard itself right here, and it also came with a keycap puller. So we got that as well. This is the Type-C cable that connects it and powers it on. So pretty nice and long cable. It is a 90-degree cable as well, so that is really awesome. I'm liking that so far. Let's move the box and stuff out of the way. Right here, this looks like some extra keycaps that we got. Let's see. So this is 2 alt keys, an escape key, a command key, and a little light key right there. Little light key. Which I think that's another one to like accent the escape key, which is also orange. But taking it out of the plastic, whew, that looks amazing right there. And it says right here, if you're a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box, then follow the instructions below to find and replace the keycaps. Because one of the things that this keyboard provides is that it works in both Mac and Windows. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so the keyboard that I have right here is the 84 key RGB backlit brown switch, the aluminum case frame, or the gray frame. So it's gonna last a while, and it's pretty sturdy. I just did a little, try to shake it and everything. No flex whatsoever. The other options, because there's other options, this is the highest tier. There's 3 different tiers. So all of the different tiers and everything come in the 84 keys. The first tier is white backlit with a black plastic frame, and in each tier uses you can either choose blue switches, red switch, or brown switch. This is the brown switch one that I have. And the second tier is the RGB backlit with the black plastic frame. And then this one right here is the third tier with the RGB backlit and the aluminum frame. So I think now I think we should plug it in and see all the cables, all the effects and everything. So far I am really liking it. Oh, and right off the bat you can see the different LED colors popping up. I don't know how well it is on with the lights and everything I have here. Let's just see if I can turn off some of the lights. That is how it looks with none of the lights on. So that is pretty cool. I'm really liking the LED lights. And then this button right here, you can change it. Okay, so some of the features, I'm going to say them all just in case I haven't said them already. So this is an 84 key keyboard, which you don't get the number pad. So yeah, and the other buttons and everything next to it as well. This keyboard will work in both wireless and wired modes with Bluetooth and with Bluetooth, wired, and everything like that. You can connect up to 3 devices at once. You can hook this up to like your phone if you have like a Mac or a MacBook, and then if you have like a Windows PC, you can hook them all up at the same time. It supports Mac layout and Windows layout, and has 15 more than 15 types of RGB light, which you can see there. Various Keychron switch options, which is the red, brown, and blue switches, and it comes in a Type-C plug. Now, one of the other things that people might not think of when you see this product, it's meticulously designed. All the keycaps are curved for economics, and the angle on the risers is a 6-degree angle, so it's going to help with your hand and finger ergonomics as well. So that's really cool. The battery life for this keyboard, the K2, is about 4,000 milliamps. That means this is going to last for up to 2 weeks for wireless. And to put that in comparison, the Apple Magic keyboard is 2,980 milliamps, and the Logitech Craft is 1,500. This is a little bit more than a fourth more than the Apple Magic keyboard, just to put that in perspective. So yeah, now that we got that out of the way, I really like this keyboard. I'm excited to keep using it in the future. But now, let's get into what all you guys have been waiting for, the sound test. So let's get that started right now.